Hey guys, I've gotten asked this a few times by now, so let's do my detailed makeup routine. And I also would love if you guys could recreate my look and tag me. Okay, so first, I use my PowerAway Bubble Moisturizer, and then I mix it with my e.l.f. Romney drops. Now I go with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Time to curl my lashes with the Revlon Lash Curler. Mascara time, I go in with the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara. Now for brows, I go in with the Clear Brow Mascara Wand from e.l.f. Guys, I ran out of this, so do not judge me, but it has eyeshadow and Aquaphor. Do not judge me, guys. Now it's time to mix my Lumi Glotion in 902 and my Star Glow. Now we go in with the Maybelline Concealer. Now we're going to go in with the NYX Buttermilk Bronzer. Now we go in with the Baby Got Blush from Essence. I love to switch up my blushes, but this is the one I've been loving lately. Now we go in with the Makeup on Mario Stick in shade Light Medium. Now it's time to go in with the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. Now for lips, this one changes often, but I've been loving the Brown Sugar Summer Fridays, lined with the Revlon Liner in Raisin. And for setting spray, I use the e.l.f. Stay All Night Blue Light Setting Spray. Alright guys, that's it. Here's the final look. Hope you guys love this, and I'd love for you to recreate it.